In this example, we're going to write a Python program that checks if a password meets certain rules for security. We'll check for uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, spaces, special characters, and also the total length of the password. Step 1. Get input from the user. We start by asking the user to enter a password. The value from the keyboard is stored as a string in the variable password. Step 2. Explain the idea of initial temporary values. Before we check the password, we create variables to count different character types. Each variable starts at 0. This is called the initial value or temporary value. During the loop, we'll increase each counter when we find a matching character. That's how we calculate their final permanent values later. Step 3. Measure the password length. We also measure the total number of characters using len password. This tells us how long the password is. Step 4. Loop through every character. Now we use a for loop to check each character inside the password, one by one. We use if and elif conditions inside for loop. If the character is an uppercase letter, we add 1 to the uppercase counter. If it's a space, we increase the spaces counter. If it's a digit, we increase the digits counter. If it's not alphabetic, meaning it's a special character like hashtag, $, or @, we add 1 to the special character counter. If it's a lowercase letter, we add 1 to the lowercase counter. And return to the start of the loop. It means to break out of the for loop. Step 5. Check if all conditions are met. Finally, we check if all the conditions are true at the same time using AND. If the password meets every rule, length, uppercase, lowercase, digits, spaces, and special characters, we print a success message. Otherwise, the program prints that the password is not accepted. Let's make some password examples to fit all conditions in the same time. Let's try again with a different password for fitting all conditions in the same time. Because if we use AND for merging conditions while using if or elif, means that all conditions must be met in the same time. Knowledge Club, the bridge to the future.